The Micro Sprinkler Landscape and Shrub Kit contains everything needed to water up to 250 square feet of landscapes and gardens. Begin installation by attaching the backflow prevention valve. This is then followed by the 1/2-inch poly faucet hose fitting. The hose fitting, as well as the 1/2-inch T-fitting and 1/2-inch coupling, is a locking collar fitting. To install any of these, raise the collar to expose the built-in O-ring. Push the 1/2-inch poly tubing past the O-ring, then hand tighten the collar back over the tubing. Now run a line of 1/2-inch poly tubing through your landscape or garden. To customize, you may choose to install the 1/2-inch T-fitting to run the tubing in opposing directions. Now that the line is run, allow water to flow through the tubing to remove any dirt or debris. Punch a hole in the poly tubing and install a landscape stake assembly. Repeat this process for all 5 stakes. Finally, end the line using the 1/2-inch poly end crimper. Each stake assembly includes a violet flow controller, which keeps water usage at each stake to just 10 gallons per hour, an on-off valve, and a 3-in-1 swap top microspray. To change swap top patterns, turn off the water at the stake. Next, slide the swap top off, then rotate end over end. Slide the swap top back on and restart the flow of water. The third spray pattern is achieved by removing the swap top altogether. This kit also includes 6 bonus microsprays and goof plugs to repair holes made by mistake or left after moving a stake assembly. Enjoy all the benefits of watering your landscapes and gardens with the Mr. Landscaper Micro Sprinkler Landscape and Shrub Kit.